on. Brendan's got a fish on.
I'm gonna get him there. Hey, attaboy. Nice little chunk.
On the fluke again.
Brendan's beating us today, looks like. It's a nice fish. Want to get the weight on him or?
1.6, 1.5.
1.5 pounds. Alright, nice little chunk, guys. Attaboy.
Got a fish on.
Okay, I got it.
There you go.
Attaboy, Brenden. Nice little 1 pounder. What do we got? 1.43 pounds. Little chunk. Nice little fish. Brennan's got a fish on. A little better, right? A little better one?
I think so.
I think Brennan's just beating us today. Attaboy.
On the fluke again.
Going off of that fluke. Nice little, probably 1.5 pounder again.
1.716.
Alright, a little bit better. Getting a little bit bigger. That's 3 fish now for Brenden. 0 fish for me and my brothers, but nice little chunk. Let's get the release. Oh, you see that?
What?
After you cast it, like something, something little jumped 2 times.
Oh my gosh.
Big one?
Way bigger.
Shoot, hold on, let me get the camera.
You hit it really hard.
Brennan's got another one on, 4th fish for him today. He's just going off today.
I already had it on.
Let's go, Brenden. Attaboy. That's a nice one, isn't it? Nice one. Big one.
Pike.
It's a pike?
Pike?
Oh yeah.
It's a pike. Oh, dude, that's a big one.
Yeah.
I'll grab it.
Ryan, chill.
You want to grab it?
Someone grab it.
Here, I'll get it.
Ryan, no. Ryan.
Oh no!
Oh, we lost him.
They're nasty anyway.
Yeah, I mean, it would have been a hassle to get him in the boat. Fish on, fish on. Yep, fish on, guys. Get the camera. Tiny little fish, guys. My first fish of the day, though. Just got this monster, guys. My first fish of the day. Let's get the release. Banger under the dock. Oh my god, nice one on. Get the camera.
Guys, kind of just got another fish on. Nice one. Here we go.
He's not that big, but he's a little nice little pound.
Pounder so. Show the camera.
Nice little pound, getting a little bit bigger. Found a little pattern going here. Let's get the release. Yeah, I'm starting to get used to this now. I think we're figuring out these seawalls. Monster.
On a square bill.
Monster fish.
Monster. Huge. Probably 7 pounds.
Get the release. Fish on, guys.
The line's covered. Don't get in the boat. I'll stand back here. I got fish on.
Not bad.
Little chunk. Nice little chunk. Alright, hold on. Ryan. Nice little chunk, guys. Got him on the square bill. Let's get the weight. Get the weight. $1.7 pounds.
Should we wait? 1.7?
1.7 pounds. Nice little chunk. Let's get the release. Yeah.
Those are all turtles.
Oh,
Those right there.
Dude, those are all turtles. Bass fishing. Remember that, Brennan? That's when you weren't into fishing, really. Boss. Fish on, fish on. Oh my gosh, bro. That was a fish. I'm not setting the hook. That's my problem.
Alright guys, been out fishing for about 4 hours. Caught a decent amount of fish so far. It's a pretty good day so far. We're just looking for that big mama to come and hit our crankbaits. We've been using mostly square bills, lipless, some soft plastics. We're throwing crankbaits up right here.
Fish on.
And Connor has a fish on right when I'm talking.
Is that a pike?
Small. Swing it.
I wasn't recording. I gotta know that though.
Nice little chunk, maybe pound. Go. Let's get the release.
I'm gonna get the weight on it.
Oh, you're gonna get the weight. We're in the sea, but we're in the lake.
1 pound.
But
exactly.
it's still sea. It's
Right,
1 pound,
1 pound
exactly.
exactly. Nice little chunker.
Alright, let's get the release. So we've been throwing crankbaits
Brian, pass scissors
like that. He's just been throwing it up on the seawalls here.
Hey, where's scissors, Ryan? Hey guys, decent day out on Lobdell Lake. Caught about probably 10 or more fish. Brenden caught about probably 5 bass, a couple pike, and I caught about 4 bass, 5 bass, I don't know. Overall, it was a decent day out on the lake.
Alright guys, ending the video right here. Great day of fishing. Caught a total of 13 fish, 2 northern pike, and 11 bass. Good day of fishing. We use soft plastics like flukes in a darker color. And we also use crankbaits, Boy Ducket series, Rapala, all those. So, great day of fishing. Thanks for watching. Please comment, like, and subscribe. More videos will be coming soon. The season is just starting, and we're already catching numbers of fish. So, look out for more videos. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.